dapat wala nang paulit kasi hindi natin alam kung ilang beses ito nangyari.
The families of 3 of 5 victims in the close-up concert tragedy will file a class suit against the event organizers. The decision came after the National Bureau of Investigation met with the families of Bianca Fontejon, Ariel Leal, and Ken Migawa. The families agreed to have a common stand. The organizers should pay millions in pesos in damages for criminal negligence. The organizers deployed hundreds of bouncers and security guards inside the venue, supported by police forces outside. But the family's lawyers are doubting if the security plan was effective.
Whoever is the sponsor of the event must see to it, must be diligent enough, careful enough to provide all the necessaries, sana to prevent this kind of deadly death.
They are now urging Close-Up to provide all the necessary documents such as contracts and the security plan. This is to determine who should be liable behind the security failure. The testimonies of witnesses will serve as the basis of the class suit, along with the findings of the NBI that drugs were sold inside the venue. They are also calling on all other witnesses to come out and testify to shed light on the incident. Close-Up in a statement says stringent security measures and precautions were in place during the concert. The company adds they will face cases filed against them. But for the victims' families, the fight for justice is far from over. For Fontejon's mother, Bibian, she blames the peddlers.
Nandun lang din ang mga anak namin para mag-enjoy, no? Siguro, kung wala naman sigurong nagdala ng drugs, wala nag-push, wala nagpumilit, hindi siguro mangyayari ito.
She's also hoping the next Congress would craft more stringent laws. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.